Yes, friends. Now, once again, I welcome you all in the video of Standard 10th English, Unit 4, 4.4, Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom, but with English workshop. So, we have to solve the English workshop on page number 151. So, open your books on 151. First question, choose the correct alternatives. A. What kind of text is it? 1. Story. 2nd. Speech. 3rd. Interview. 4th. Essay. Yes. What kind of text is it? Naturally, it is the interview of Mary Kom. So, the answer is interview. Second, B. Which state does Mary Kom belong to? 1. Maharashtra. 2nd. Tamil Nadu. 3rd. Kerala. 4th. Manipur. Yes, what's the answer? Answer is B. Manipur. B means sub question B and alternative is 4th. Manipur. C. Who inspired Mary Kom and other youngsters in Manipur to choose boxing as a career? First option is Dinko Singh. Second, Charles Atkinson. Third, Mangte Tonpa Kom. Fourth, Adam. Naturally, answer is first, Dinko Singh. Now, D. What did Mary Kom prefer being called? First, Supermom. Second, Superboxer. Third, Superwoman. And fourth, Super Being. Naturally, just a minute before we have said in the last lesson that the answer is she is proud to be called as a super mom. That is the first question from English workshop. Now we'll go through the second one, and the second question is go through the text again and find out the name of cities and their importance in Mary Kom's life. One is given for us. First, in the book, A is Kankei. Kankei is Mary Kom's birthplace. Now, the remaining answers I have written it here. The another name of the city is Manipur. Manipur, what is the importance of Manipur in the life of Mary Kom that you have to write? Manipur, that is the state women's boxing championship. She has won. That is the importance in the life of Manipur. Next city, Pune. What is the relation of Pune with her? Pune, she has gone there for the preparation for the Olympics with male boxers. Then West Bengal, that comes in our lesson in the text. West Bengal is the regional championship. She has won the medals there. That is the second question for us in the English workshop. Now we have to deal with the third one, the question 3. On page number 151, you will find some short forms in the text. Go to library or search on internet to find their full forms. Discuss with your partner. One is given for you. Be alert. Don't ask to your partner, don't go to their home because it is the pandemic. So, you yourself have to find it from the books or from the library of your own, or you have to go through the internet. I have gone through the internet and found this type of the long forms of the some abbreviations given here. First, OGQ, that I have explained while explaining the lesson. OGQ, Olympic Gold Quest. Second, IBN. If you are the watcher of the news television, you may see IBN is Indian Broadcasting Network. It is the channel, IBN channel. Third is again MTV, is again channel. It is the music television. YPA. YPA means Yearly Plan of Action. Then AIBA, IBA, is the International Amateur Boxing Association. And CNN is also the channel on television you may know. CNN is cable news network. These are some long forms of the abbreviations which are asked in question 3 in English workshop. Now, fourth one. Fourth question, page number 151. This is the long question. Write the fact file of the Mary Kom in your notebook. You have to write the fact file of Mary Kom. Yes, fact file of Mary Kom. Full name, Mary Mante Kom. Second, that is B, native of, she is a native of Kangthai village, Morang Lankas in Chaurachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. C, early life and the interest. It is given on page number 147 in the book. In the first passage, last lines. Mary Kom grew up in the humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm-related chores, going to school. She was interested in learning athletics initially and later in boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. From this passage, you have to find the answer of the early life and interest. Yes, here we have seen that she grew up in humble surroundings. Parents were tenants of Zoom fields, helping parents in farming related work, initially interested in athletics, later turned to boxing. Yes, these were the two fields where she has taken interest in her childhood. That was all about early life and the interest, which is already given on page number 147. Now, D. D is special sports taken up. Special sports, you have seen that the special sports she has taken up were athletics and boxing. So, special sports taken up was, especially she is famous for boxing. So, boxing was her main sports. Next is inspired by Dinko Singh, who returned from Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. It was the inspiration for all Manipuri children, she has confessed in her interview. Next, coach. What was the name of coach? Charles Atkinson. Then early achievements. Victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the Regional Championship in West Bengal. WB means West Bengal. And again, second achievements, international debut at the first IWA Women's World Championship in United States. US means United States. Next is international achievements. Her international achievements, first, five times gold boxing champion. Second, the only boxer to win a medal in every and of the 6 world championships. Third is Olympic bronze medal in 2012. That was the great achievement by her. Next is her passion. About her passion. What was her passion? To make boxing popular among all Indians, and at the same time, especially Indian women and girls. Then, what is about her future plan? Her future plan? To coach Indian women and girls in boxing in future. These are some facts that we have to see in the fact files of Mary Kom on page number 151. Now, the fifth question. Yes, we have to complete the paper. I have completed it for you on this page. So page number 152, question 5. Glance through the text and find the special qualities of Mary Kom. Complete the web by putting different qualities of Mary Kom in the boxes that you have learned or you may know. You can add more by your own, though there are 6 boxes only. One is made for you, but I have tried my best. I have not put all the answers in the box, but I have tried my best to put it in the different way by showing arrow where I have completed the web diagram here for you. Yes, qualities of Mary Kom. Yes, first one is done for you on the book, page number 152, that is humble. That is the quality of her. She is humble. She is very sensitive. She is a proud mother. And as she is a mother, she is very caring, she is very loving, and being a woman, as a mother and women player, she is very understanding. That is the quality of her. Then there is the freedom about the sport, about the career, about being a woman in the society, and about a super boxer. Yes, she is a personality. She is a woman with a strong willpower. She has a strong willpower. She was very determined. So determination is also the quality of Mary Kom. Then she is very confident. She is very confident in her life, in her career, being a boxer. And at the same time, I think that the most important quality of Mary Kom is cognizant. She is very cognizant. Cognizant means जाणीव असलेली व्यक्ती. She knew. She has come on the great canvas of the world from the remote village of the northeast, that is Manipur. And so she also knows that she has came from very poor family. Her parents were the tenant farmers of the Zoom type of farming. So I think that this is the very important character or the quality in the Mary Kom, that she is very cognizant. This is the 5th question, and with the answer of this 5th question, I would like to stop this video for you. We'll continue in the next video with the coming questions. Thank you very much.